Hi everybody, let's take a look at some of the server activities for this week. We're going to look at some shares. There's certain types of shares that everybody can see. There's also hidden shares that no one can see except administrators. So let's see what that's all about. Here is my C drive. There's my data. Underneath the folder, I'm going to create a folder called Hide Me. Now, right now, this is just a folder on the local file system of the server. For someone to access it over the network, we need to share it out. So I'm right-clicking, going to Properties, Sharing, and we always want to use advanced sharing because we're advanced people. We're going to share the folder so that somebody can do something with it besides just read the information. We're going to do full control. Now we are going to change the name of the share. $sign is the secret code that allows the share to be accessed, but you have to know the name of it. We click OK. Then we're going over to security. We want to make sure that administrators have, and they do, they have full access. So we're good there. We can check it from here to see if we can see it. Oh, I've got my Windows 11 running. Let's check it from here. This is my administrator account. I am not using the domain ad. I'm not using the administrator account anymore. I'm using my own administrator account. Now I only have 27 days before this evaluation dies. That's fine. If you go to the Getting Started folder where we installed Windows 11, or you'll be able to find out how to update it. Or just research. Reactivate Windows 11 Enterprise. It'll tell you. All right, so I'm going to my File Explorer. I'm logged in as an administrator. I'm going to check out and see what's on that server. //server1 should allow me to see all the shares that are, oh, there's nothing shared out on my server. What do we do? Well, you type in the name of it, Hide Me, and there it is. So it's secret. You can't get to it unless you know it's there. Is it secret from everything? No, it's just a Windows way of having shares that nobody can see. There's another place we can also look at that, which this has to do with hidden shares and just looking at accessible, who's accessing shares. If we right-click on the Start button, go to Computer Management, and here we have shared folders. And here shows our shares. Well, look at here. There's other $sign shares. Admin, C:/IPC. These are all built-in shares that the operating system sets up when we install it. And there's NetLogon, Sysvol. There's our hidden share. Is anybody doing something? Oh yeah, we have a client connection to this, and we have a client connection to that. Well, let's see who that is. Well, when you connect to a server, like for instance, our Windows 11 is connected to our server, we have open files from here to here? No, not really. This would probably be the group policies being transferred. Do I have an open file on here? I'm looking at server 11? No, I'm just looking at it. See, I'm not doing anything with it at all. Windows just thinks you have it open, even if you do not. So I closed it out. It still thinks I have one file open, but I actually don't. And Win11 $sign, well, my computer, my Windows computer has a share. These are administrative shares that are used by the domain controller to communicate information back and forth. Here's the last one to check. Do we have any files actually open? Well, notice here, I mentioned that. Yep, see, We're, for some reason, still hanging on to those domain policy, group policy files. And it still remembers that we have this open even though we haven't. Windows likes to remember network connections even though you're not connected to them anymore. Regardless, this is normal. Let's move on to 12-2.